Hi, today we will delve into an English grammar used to, and we will learn all about used to structure. So, we use used to for activities we did regularly for some time in the past, but we don't do right now. So the structure is used to, we use in the past till now, such as on our examples. I used to smoke. He used to sing in a harp. They used to play tennis a lot. We also use used to for something that was true in the past, but it's not true right now. I used to have blonde hair. The kitchen used to be yellow. We used to live together. To form used to, we need to use the structure like this. Subject plus used to plus infinitive without to, because we have already added to with used to. I used to live alone. Vic used to travel for work. We used to take the bus to school every day. Actually, to put used to structure in the negative sentence, we need to use such as structure. Subject plus didn't, used to plus infinitive as before, said to you without to. She didn't used to speak Spanish very well, but now she's fluent. We didn't used to travel much when the children were young. The question form is like that. So you need to create your structure with used to in such way. Did plus subject plus used to plus infinitive without to. That's definitely. Did you used to wear a uniform at school? Did he used to have a bird? Did they used to work here? We can also use never with you to, such as subject. Then after that, you need to use never, then after never used to plus infinitive without to. You never used to like coffee. What's happened? He never used to be on time. So that's all for our short lesson regarding used to English grammar. Stay in tune for better and valuable free lessons. You need to actually subscribe my YouTube channel for free lessons, and also otherwise you can join my Telegram channel for free resources, materials and books. Stay in tuned and thanks for watching.